Retired Supreme Court Justice Jose Perez has passed away. The SC conveyed the judiciary's sadness over the passing of its 167th Associate Justice. Perez began his career in the judiciary in 1971. He has been court administrator of the SC before becoming magistrate. Perez was appointed to the SC in 2009 by then-President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. On December 14, 2016, he compulsory retired.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.